But don't adjust your TV sets, folks. It is Friday, November 17th, and I'm
still there.
gonna take over. I'm stopping in to have some fun with the senior folks today.
Do not call us
I didn't say elders, it says elders. And I didn't say elders, I said
senior.
First thing you should say elder because she's the only old woman in her.
Yeah. The game is head, shoulders, cup. So the idea is I'll call out a random body part, Neville and Simone. You'll have to touch that part, but if I say cup, they must try to get the cup from the floor. First one with the most out of 5 has bragging rights for Friday.
Well, I know. Make sure because there are parts that we don't share, obviously. So. Move now.
Unless me say.
Come.
So we're ready?
Yeah. Come see me too.
You have to stand up, man. You have to stand up. I stand up first.
No, you don't have to stand up.
You want me to stand up with my
But then the two of us go down and buck with when we are diving.
Back.
This is not, this is not attractive though. This.
Back.
I mean,
so
back.
stand up straight.
Yeah, stand straight. Back.
Okay.
Ankles. Stomach. Head. Feet. Shoulder. Cup.
Ow. I got fips on it.
That's one. All right, come.
That gotta be so rough.
All right, ready. Ankles. Neck. Back. Bottom. Chest.
What kind of movements are those you have us doing on national television?
No.
Ready.
Okay.
Kind of closer to your side.
Cup.
No.
You said cup, you can't say no. He said cup. No, you're a liar. He's a liar. He said cup.
Ready. Come.
True love.
Come. Head.
Shoulders, knees,
Head back.
and so. What?
Head back. Head front.
Head front.
Head
Cup.
side.
2.
Gosh. My clothes are dropping
That
off.
was a little
I
violent.
think I may have broken my pinky.
You did?
No.
Ready again.
Okay.
Toes.
Toes.
Knees.
Yes.
Thighs.
Yes.
Legs.
Which part?
Back of your legs.
Alright.
Front of your legs.
Yeah.
Side of your legs.
Yeah.
Your waist.
What?
Your head back. The cup.
How much time need? 3 minute leave?
Best of top 5.
2 are done. So one more.
2.
One more. Best of 5 is the third one now.
Alright, stand up. You have to shake it out.
Alright.
My head.
Where are your cup from my mind?
Into your whole now hair part. Put back around the cup. Not for real.
No cheating. My head.
No.
My shoulder.
No, well, I'm not film at the.
Ready, stand up, ready. My head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes, my head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes, my head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes, head, my Stand up, man. Head.
He's entertained about your stand up.
Level.
Level, not
Ankle.
Wait. There's no equity here.
Come on, ankle.
All right.
Cup.
This game is very rough.
Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to thank my mother and father for allowing me to be so flexible and to be culpable that I'm here.
Culpable.
Teeth that. Come first. You want
I
it?
mean, last one is 3-2. You say best out of 5. So say winner take all. Last
Alright.
one. Hold on to take all of what?
All on the right.
Wait, that's not middle.
It is middle.
It's not middle.
It is middle.
It's not middle.
Yeah. Of course it's middle. It's actually closer to
Yeah,
her.
actually, yeah.
It's actually closer to you.
So then go and fix it.
No, I am alright.
Ready. Fixed. Alright, ready
You
again.
put it closer again.
No, it's closer to me now.
Ears. Nose.
Nephril, your head going
Chin.
back me now.
Chin.
Me not like how Nephril that going.
Foot back.
Foot back.
Yeah, back of
You don't touch your foot.
Foot back here.
Cup.
Stop! You didn't say put it back! Come on,
Come on, ready.
Put it back! Not for real. I'm going to give you one.
Come, ready. Hips. Arms. Knees. Shoulder. Back. Nose. Forehead. Cup.
Winner takes all.
All of what? You're the worst son in
Thanks,
history
B.
for you make a win.
Appreciate it.
Good to see you, man.
Thank all my
All right.